Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use comments on Google Sheets. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use comments on Google Sheets. The first thing to do is to go to Google Sheets, then open the sheet where you want to use comments, which of course I have done right here. Then select the cell to comment on. Let's say this is the cell that I want to comment on. So click on the specific cell where you want to leave a comment, which is here, and with the cell selected, right click and choose comments. So right click, then choose comments from the drop down menu. All right. And once you do that, a box will appear. So go ahead and type your comment in the box. So let's say at the surname, and I go ahead and click on comment. So once you click on comment, it means you have posted this, and now the comment is visible here. So for you to tag someone in a comment, to tag a collaborator in your comment, go ahead and type @ followed by the email or the name. All right, so this will notify the person via email that they have been mentioned. Okay, so go ahead and click a comment and let's say reply or add orders, and click on art and just add the person. So let's say I'm using that, and it says you mentioned will add people to this discussion and send an email. So go ahead and click on reply or just go ahead and cancel. So after tagging, you can assign the comment to the person by selecting assign to and go ahead and add, and of course click on the person's name, but I don't want to go through that process. If someone else has added a comment, you'll see a small orange triangle at the top right corner of the cell. Now click on the triangle to view the comment, type a response in the reply box, and click reply to post your response. Of course, once a comment thread has been addressed, you can mark it as resolved by clicking the resolve button in the comment box. So click on the comment and click on these 3 horizontal lines for you to see the comments. So let's say this is the comments. I'm definitely supposed to see resolve here, but if that's not showing, just head over to this bubble icon here, click on show all comments, and that opens it up. So click on more options and click on resolve to resolve this, and that comment will no more be active. So you can also edit and delete a comment. Click on it, click on edit, click on delete. And also, if you need to revisit a resolved comment, just go ahead and click on the comment button at the top of the page. So find the resolved comment in the history and click reopen to reactivate it. Collaborators tagged in comment or assigned tags will receive an email notification, and you can manage your notification settings by clicking on the comment history and then selecting notifications to control how often you're notified about new comments. So using the comments in Google Sheets is a powerful way to collaborate, provide feedback, or request input from others on specific data points. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.